Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to SKPS TV. Today, we're honored to have Ustaz Ismail bin Ahmad Nurman with us. Ustaz is a well-known speaker who often talks about how we can attract blessings in our life. Thank you for joining us today, Ustaz.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much for having me. It's a truly pleasure to be here.
Ustaz, we often hear people say, giving charity brings more sustenance. But from your experience and knowledge, how exactly does charity help increase what we have?
Alhamdulillah, that's a beautiful question. You know, in Islam, when we give charity, it's not just about helping others. It's actually a way of opening the doors of blessing for ourselves. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah tells us that when we spend in His way, it's like planting a seed that grows 7 years and each year hold 100 grains, meaning our reward is multiplied many times over. And our Prophet Muhammad SAW also said, charity does not decrease wealth. Even though we feel like we are giving something away, Allah replaces it with so much more. Sometimes through money, but often in a way we don't expect it, like good health, peace of mind, or new opportunities we didn't even see coming.
MashaAllah, that's so uplifting. Could you share a real life example, Ustaz?
Sure, there is businessman I know. When he first started out, he didn't have much more, but he made it a point to set aside a portion of his earnings every week, no matter how small, just for charity. Over time, his business didn't just survive, it flourished. He opened more branches, expanded his network, and his life just seemed full of blessing. It's not a magic. It's not a magic. It's the power of barakah, the unseen blessing that Allah pours into our life when we give with sincerity.
Wow, that's powerful. But what about those who are struggling themselves? Is it still encouraged for them to give?
Absolutely. Charity isn't only about money. Our Prophet taught us that even a smile is a form of charity. Smile, okay? Helping someone carry their bag, volunteering your time, giving someone moral support, all of that counts. So, it's not about how much you give. It's about your heart. Start small, even a smile or a small kind gesture. When we give, even during tough time, it's your true face. Allah promise He will take care of us.
That's so encouraging, Ustaz. Before we wrap up, what final advice would you like to leave with our listener today?
I'd say, don't ever underestimate the power of giving. The power of apa, sir?
Giving.
Yeah. No matter how little you think it is, Allah sees it. Make giving a daily habit. Even if it's just a small coin, a few minutes of your time, or a sincere smile, and just watch. Over time, you will see how Allah fill your life with unexpected blessings.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much, Ustaz, for sharing your wisdom and stories with us. I'm sure many of our listeners are feeling inspired right now. Until next time, everyone, take care and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.